Q&A questions for Robin.
Wow.
Yes. So, number 1. If you were to say just 3 words to me, what would it be?
I like you.
Sorry. Okay, nagulat ako doon. Okay. Number 2. Choose one. A snowy Christmas or a dry Christmas?
A snowy Christmas kasi never ko pa na-try yun.
Me too. Ako din. Number 3. If we swap personalities for a day, what's the first thing you'd think I'd do? What's the first thing? What's the first thing?
Ano nga ba?
The first thing.
Siguro, pinakauna mong gagawin, mungulit sa mga tao. Sobra, yung parang, kahit yung tahimik na tao, ginugulo mo.
Hindi. Unang-unang kong gagawin na nakawin ko lahat ng hoodies mo.
Lahat na?
Lahat ng hoodies mo. Okay. Number 4. If I were a snack, what would I be? A snack.
A snack?
Your favorite, charot.
Oo. Magiging chocolate ka. Sa favorite ko yun. Tapos, super sweet mo pa sa akin.
Aww. Number 5 na. What was the most meaningful Christmas gift you've given anyone? What?
Wala pa eh. Parang wala pa ako nabibigyan ng Christmas gift. Ngayon taon pa lang na to. Kasi kinalakihan ko, wala naman po akong pambili ng kahit anong Christmas gift eh. Kasi wala po akong pera. Siguro sana po ngayon taon nabigyan ko ng meaningful na Christmas gift sa mga.
Oh, that's so sweet. Iiyak ako.
Lawe?
Joke lang. Thank you for your questions po. Your answers. Thank you for your answers, Robin. Bye-bye.